Are you ready to revolutionize your health journey with ChatGPT Health? This innovative platform securely combines your health data with ChatGPT's intelligence. Discover how it empowers you to feel more informed and confident in managing your health. Health information is often scattered across multiple platforms, making it hard to navigate. ChatGPT Health addresses this by unifying your health data securely. Over 230 million people use ChatGPT for health queries weekly. This shows the demand for a centralized health management tool. ChatGPT Health aims to make health management more accessible and organized. Your health data is deeply personal, and ChatGPT Health prioritizes its protection. Conversations in health are encrypted and isolated to ensure privacy. Health data does not influence non-health chats. Maintaining separation. Users can view or delete health memories anytime. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. ChatGPT Health allows integration with apps like Apple Health and MyFitnessPal. This ensures personalized responses based on your health data. You can connect and disconnect apps at your convenience. Only apps meeting OpenAI's privacy standards are included. This integration helps tailor advice to your unique health profile. ChatGPT Health was developed with input from over 260 physicians. This collaboration ensures responses are safe and clinically sound. HealthBench helps evaluate the model against clinical standards. The focus is on clarity and appropriate escalation of care. This physician-led approach builds trust in the platform. To access ChatGPT Health, sign up for the waitlist. Once approved, select Health from the sidebar in ChatGPT. You can upload medical records and connect wellness apps. ChatGPT Health provides personalized health insights based on your data. Customize your experience with specific instructions for tailored responses. ChatGPT Health is transforming how you manage and understand your health. By integrating your data securely, it offers personalized insights and support. Embrace this new era of health management with confidence and ease.